I'm Doge Luna, and it's election day. Vote for Doge! I don't just wear a garbage vest, I collect it. Now pick up that thing!
I'm Joe the Junk Man, her running mate, and we are running every street in the world and picking up every piece of litter. Vote for Doge!
Today we're in Albany Township, in Berks County, in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I run over 12,000 streets in Pennsylvania, and I don't care if you call it a state. Vote for Doge! In the last 4 years, I've collected nearly 50,000 of these things. Environmentally, we are in fact better off. Vote for Doge!